What if Honda finally built the perfect sport touring motorcycle that combines superbike performance with all-day comfort? The 2026 Honda CB1000GT is creating a lot of excitement among riders, but one question stands above everything else. How much will it cost? Let's take a closer look at the expected MSRP and what buyers can expect from this exciting new machine. Expected MSRP: Honda has not officially announced the final US price for the 2026 Honda CB1000GT. However, based on its features, market position, and current Honda lineup, industry experts expect the MSRP to start between $14,500 and $16,000. If Honda offers premium trims with electronic suspension, heated grips, or luggage packages, those versions could cost even more. What makes it worth the price? The CB1000GT is expected to use a powerful inline four-cylinder engine inspired by Honda's proven performance platform. Riders can also expect smooth power delivery, modern electronics, selectable riding modes, traction control, cornering ABS, a full-color TFT display, smartphone connectivity, cruise control, and improved wind protection for long-distance rides. Unlike a pure sport bike, the CB1000GT is designed to stay comfortable during long highway trips while still delivering exciting performance on twisty roads. That balance makes it an attractive choice for both weekend adventures and daily riding. Competition: if the expected price becomes reality, the 2026 Honda CB1000GT will compete directly with motorcycles like the Yamaha Tracer 9GT Plus, Kawasaki Ninja 1000SX, Suzuki GSX-S1000GT, and BMW F 900XR. Honda's strong reputation for reliability, lower maintenance costs, and excellent resale value could make the CB1000GT one of the smartest choices in the sport touring category. Final thoughts: the expected MSRP places the 2026 Honda CB1000GT in a competitive position for riders looking for premium performance without entering the high-end luxury touring segment. If Honda delivers the features enthusiasts are expecting while keeping the price near the predicted range, the CB1000GT could become one of the best value sport touring motorcycles of 2026. The MSRP, specifications, features, and availability mentioned in this video are based on current industry expectations, early reports, and unofficial information available at the time of writing. Final pricing and specifications may change when Honda makes its official announcement.